Hi everyone. This is another journal with me session in my junk journal. And yes, come along with me and enjoy this video. So now I'm choosing a page where I want to work on, and actually I have a drawer with all my ephemera and things. I wanted to document it in my journal, so I just took some random things out of that drawer. So it's not necessary from like one day or one occasion, but in this session, you can see me kickstart with this photo. It was an old photo where we bought our first car, so it was a very special moment. But then the rest of this video is all dedicated to the memories I have about the last day of the party, the celebration we Muslims have after Ramadan, like the Eid. And so I made photos from that day, and of course I wanted to document everything about the day. So here you see me thinking on how I can use this package from a cake topper, because I love the cake image on the cake topper package. So, and I printed 2 big photos, and I will glue it just on the cake topper, on the packaging. So I glue it on the flap, so I have an extra page to work on. So if you saw my flip through from this journal, my flip through video, then you know that I have not so many pages in this journal, but I did it on purpose because I wanted to have the room to create more and more pages while I'm working in this journal. And I use this pattern paper to have a background from this printed photo, because otherwise it's just a boring white background. So I backed it with this pattern paper, as you can see. And here I have more little photos printed on my Canon selfie camera. My Canon selfie photo printer, yes. And I really love the photo printer because it's super easy to print out, and I love it when I'm journaling and when I document my life. I love to have photos in my junk journal. So this is all about the celebration from that day, and here I have some photos from the decoration on the day, and I was in the mosque with my daughter, so we made a selfie and we're all praying together. So I make a beautiful photo from we all praying together. And my daughter was so adorable with her cute dress and her little French hat on. It was super cute. And this is a big placemat I wanted to use in the journal, but yeah, I didn't know how exactly I am going to use it in my journal, so I'm just figuring out what to do and what piece I can use in my journal, because yeah, I really loved the decorations on that day. Like the whole table I decorated with this themed like the Eat theme decorations, and the flags, and yeah, and plates and everything. It was so cute. So yeah, I only die cut the middle of the balloon, as you can see, and yeah, I just use this as yeah, a piece from the whole placemat. And I didn't made a photo from the sweet table, not a very good photo, and unfortunately not. Oh, and this was it. It was, yeah, we're almost done. So this was my junk journal session. I mean, all the editing, it only we only have 6 minutes, but this whole junk journal with me was kind of a half hour. But okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.